Okay, so here I am in Parede. I'm going to go to a castle and then probably to the beach again, just to see if this beach is any different. So let's go. So I just dropped off my son at summer camp, and I'm just going to walk to this castle. I don't know anything about it, so I'll do some research when I get there so I can tell you more. It's a beautiful sunny day, but it's been like so windy. As you can see, it's really windy, and it's been like this the whole night. No rain or anything. It looks as though it's going to storm, but no, it's just windy, like I don't know what. It's like a storm's brewing, but I guess that's, and it's cool air, so I think it's like air from the Atlantic that's blowing in, or maybe from somewhere else. I don't know, I'm not too sure. But whatever the case, I'm wearing 2 layers. I got a Uniqlo, what should we call it, airism, so that it breathes, and then I got a cotton thing on top. And I think it's about 22 degrees at the moment. And with the wind, it makes it feel a lot colder because of the wind chill. So, anyway. I'm still getting used to the difference in Portugal. I don't feel so handicapped with not speaking Portuguese. Yeah, I feel a lot better. I can say the basic things. I mean, the most important thing is obrigado, of course. And then there's bon dia, botage, and the other one I don't know. So I know good afternoon and good morning, and yeah, so that'll do for now. Okay, where am I going now? How do I change this thing? No, I don't want that. Okay, these ones. Okay, so Google Maps have led me to this place where there's no entry. I'm supposed to go straight across there, but it says no entry from what I can gather. So I'm trying to find an alternative route. My goodness, look at this. Don't know if you can hear the wind. So I don't know if this castle is accessible or not, but here we go. Olives. So they don't bother cleaning up the mess on the ground by dogs. So I don't know if I'm coming to a dead end, but no, good. Come to a park of some sort, some opening. So this is a first, not a first for me, but a first stumbling into uncharted territory for me. Okay, so I've come to like a square. I wonder if I can access the castle by going straight. Looks like a wilderness over there. Yes, I think I can if I go straight there. Straight, and then take a left. I should come to the castle. I wonder if the castle is okay. Strange surroundings. Looks like Christmas to me. I think I must be in Europe somewhere. That's a sycamore maple tree. Conifer, some description. Wilderness over there. And I think the castle's over there somewhere, but let's walk into this place because this is the first sort of wilderness, I guess you could call it. I don't know how wild it gets in there. I wonder if there are any wild boars or dogs or anything like that. It'll be a first for me. So let's put my glasses away somewhere. And the thing I can see is that there are lots of olive trees And I remember when I first went to Greece, I was just like, there, these are the olive trees, the olive green. Okay, that's a doggy there, but that's okay. Olives, young. Okay, so what I want to do is go over there, see where this leads to. Right, I think it's all fenced up. Yep, looks like it's all fenced up. Oh well. Look, there's a hole in the fence and a pathway. So let's hope it's not guarded by dogs. Wow, look at this. Oops. How do I get across? There's like cannons and stuff over there. Look at this place. Deserted. How do I get down? And then across? Okay, let's go find a way. I wonder if this... Whoa, the wind is so strong I don't want to be blown over. And I wanted to see if I can get down somewhere. And I wonder if this is just a trail that is public, for the public. But I don't know how to get down there. I want to get across there. Then if I cut across there, I can see, it seems that as though I'll get to the sea. I hear some construction going on there, so maybe I shouldn't go too far and make myself known. Okay, there's a path here. Sort of. Okay, that's all construction over there. But I think I can, if I go out there, that'll be the construction thingy. So I really want to access it by finding a path that leads down into that place. And I think, well, that place is locked up anyway, because there was a gate there I saw. Thorns. Watch out. Ouch! Thorns. Maybe we can get across. Let's try. I wonder what that thing over there is. It's got a cannon on it. I'm still trying to get down and then try to get up there. I mean, there's a bunker over here, and I have no idea what this bunker is about. I guess I got to read some about history, but I don't even know what this place is. It's all in Portuguese. Okay, it's leading down somewhere. Yeah, good. Look at this. So this is quite a well-beaten path, so I don't think it's something that's out of bounds, because if you look at that, it's log dog shit. Okay, so the Portuguese don't believe in cleaning up after their dogs. Now look at this, what is this? I mean, I guess it would rotate, but why is it at the moment pointing inshore? Look at this. It's a huge tank. Wonder what they kept here. Ammunition, you think? No, I think it's too far away from that. So this place is the Antiga Bataria da Parede and was installed between 1948 and 1958 to defend the coastline, particularly the access to the ports of Lisbon and Setubal. The last salvo of shots was carried out in 1998 and they intended to build the Coastal Artillery Military Museum. After years of oblivion, the project is back on the agenda and is expected to be completed soon. So wow, nice. This is something else. Christ, hope this thing doesn't collapse on me. Look at this, it's so solid. First time I'm actually feeding a cannon. God, this was weigh a ton. I guess this is where you direct your fire from. My goodness. Fucking hell. Okay, let's go off somewhere because I think it would be good to get out of sight of the houses, because I don't believe that people will be too friendly here. Okay, so I just saw somebody walking that way, walking his dog and not cleaning up the mess, of course. But that's alright, I'm not going to start stepping dog shit, I hope. But I want to see where this leads to. I can smell something that's asparagus or what? What's this? Yeah, some sort of herb. I don't know what it is. I mean, the undergrowth is full of thorny, ouch bushes, so it does make it easy, and I think there's poison ivy here too. So I really don't want to get stung by them, because that would be not a clever thing to do. Must be a public park because there's a seat here. So here's another bunker and ouch, and cannon. I'll try to do some research now and see if I can find out anything about this. Okay, so I'm going to go into the bunker. Hopefully there won't be any unpleasant surprises. Well, graffitied. Somebody's been here, of course. Fire. Smells of oil in here. Okay, so there's a pathway down that way. It's here somewhere. There it is. See it? Did you see it go? Wow, okay. So I'm following Google Maps. Whether it's a good idea or not, I don't know. But it's all I've got. Okay, I'm quite impressed. It's leading me down a path which is quite unusual for ouch again for Google Maps. So it's actually leading me down this path here, and hopefully it's going to get me somewhere. Yep, so let's take a left. So Google Maps, if you get me out of here, I forgive you. I'm most impressed that you can actually show me a way out of this wilderness. Okay, there we go. We go out. A hole in the fence. Yeah, great. Love it, love it. In another. Wow, look at this. Okay, we go down there, but look at this. Isn't this wonderful? Wow, this is new to me. Love it. I want to see what the coastal line is here. Strange apartments. Those ones look really utilitarian. I wonder who they're for. These ones. Again, you can see a lot of dog shit that hasn't been cleared up. So they're working on it. Pigeons. It's 10:15. I've been walking now for about an hour and 15 minutes. I dropped my son off at 9 o'clock. I took a Uber and it cost me quite a bit actually. I think it was about €8, €6, I can't remember. 6 to 8 euros or something like that. And that's about equivalent to about 40 ringgit to get me 2 kilometers or so from where I'm staying to my son's summer camp. So that's quite pricey really, but thank God I'm not doing it every day. I'm just doing it today, and then next week he's off, and then after that 2 more days at summer camp. It's supposed to be 5 days a week, but because I'm visiting, I want to see more of him than less of him. Eventually I will be moving myself here because of my son, and it doesn't mean that I'm abandoning Malaysia. It just means that I intend to move to and fro Malaysia and over here often, and I want to bring my son back to Malaysia because I want him to know Malaysia and know his family there. So that would be good for him to know. Okay, so I'm going to consult Google Maps again to see exactly where I am. I know I'm here. The way I'm going, I don't know. So let me check. So I took a bus on Monday, and I used my Apple Pay or Google Pay on the phone, and although it did beep, it didn't charge me. So I think possibly I didn't pay my fare, and it's okay not to pay your fare, in the sense that nobody comes up to you, but if there is an inspection and they catch you, I think you can be fined up to 100 euros, which for me is not acceptable, of course, because I don't want to lose that money. So I gotta find out if I can actually use my card instead, if I take a bus. I might get the bicycle. Yeah, the bicycle would be a handy thing to have. But this place is actually a pretty hilly place, you know. Tires or Tire, I don't know how to pronounce it. And there's quite a lot of hills. So it's okay with me because I don't mind, you know, doing it. But not with my son. I was thinking of getting him on the back, but I know what it's like if you go up a slope, can't make it, and if it's on the back, you're going to just tip over, because it happened to me once in Hanoi. I was foolishly trying to take this very steep incline, almost 45 degrees, and I couldn't do it, and my son was on the back, and he wasn't 5 years old, he was about 3 years old, and we toppled over, and luckily the seat protected him, just fell on the side. It was a bit shocked, but it was okay, it wasn't too bad, you know. So that's why I learned, don't overestimate your abilities when it comes to bikes. So I don't know if this is typical of all Portugal or Lisbon, about people being very wary about people with a camera. Maybe it's just in Paris, because the last time they called the cops on me, I was in Paris too. And yeah, I guess, you know, this is a very affluent neighborhood, so it could be that. Or it could just be that people in Portugal are paranoid. I don't know. But I've been told that, the cops told me anyway, I don't know how far this is true. You know, I think I've stated it in the last video that in order to take photos, you can only take like landscape photos with no people in it. And if there are people in it, you have to ask them permission, even though there are pencil sticks or dots in the photograph. So that limits quite a lot of photography. Definitely no street photography. That suits me fine. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, why don't they have a bridge across the railway to make it easy? So it's nice that it's cooler than Malaysia. I mean, now it is. Before it wasn't. And I'm glad I'm coming to the beach. And yeah, I mean, I need to get an iPhone, because another iPhone, because at the moment I'm using this iPhone and the battery's not lasting long at all. I mean, I use it for Google Maps obviously, and I've only got about 20 something percent left, so that's not good. It's only been like 2 hours, so I only get about 2 hours use if I'm using Google Maps constantly. Might as well get something that can do video well, because it's like some places, if you use the GoPro, people are very conscious of it, but if you just use a phone, everybody's so used to using phones, they don't care. So okay, let's get across this way, because it seems to be a way of getting there instead of going to the... I see somebody crossing here, so let's look left. Okay, getting used to it now. Look left and then right. It's good practice for when I start driving. Because right, look left and then look right. Okay, let's go. Yay, made it. So I don't know if you saw over there, there's a beach over there, and I didn't want to be obvious about it, because there are people about, and there are police about. So I don't want the cops to be called on me again, so I'm making it not as obtrusive as I can, because I don't want to have to erase all my footage. Look at this, whoa, that's the Atlantic Ocean. And it's a weekday and it's still very busy. Today is Wednesday. Seems that people are on holiday. Could that be? Yes, it's school's off, so it's like that's why my son's going to summer camp. So the water looks pretty clear, as you can see. Even with the rough waves, the water is still clear, and it's quite strange, because usually when you have rough seas and stuff, it becomes a bit murky, but this is crazy, and I'm sure it's quite cold in there. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.